Hello class, and welcome to our discussions on basic statistics. Today we shall consider data description techniques, and to do this we are going to concentrate on two main concepts, and these are the measurements of central tendency and the measurements of dispersion. We shall look at the measurement of central tendency and subsequently come to look at the measurements of dispersion. When we come to look at the measurement of central tendency, we shall look at the three most basic ones, which are the mean, the mode, and the median. So today, we shall start the discussion on these concepts with the mean. When we take the mean, we can look at the mean from three different perspectives, and that is the mean of raw data or raw set of numbers. Then look at the mean of ungrouped frequency distribution. Then look at the mean of group frequency distribution. I know from our previous discussions, we are familiar with the terms ungrouped frequency distribution and group frequency distribution. So we shall look at the mean from these three perspectives. But for today, we shall look at the mean of raw set of numbers or the mean of raw data. Thank you. Now, when we talk of raw data or raw set of numbers, it is data that occurs without any corresponding frequencies. They occur randomly. They can occur in any form. But what happens here is that there are no frequencies that correspond with those numbers. And so to calculate the mean of such data, we shall demonstrate over here with examples and with trial questions. Assuming that numbers occur like this, you have x1, comma, you have x2, comma, we have x3, comma, up to xn. That is the last figure. And we are the way this occurs, when there are no corresponding frequencies, we call this one a raw set of data or raw numbers. So to calculate the mean for this raw data, we say the mean f bar is given as the summation of the x, that is the summation of all the numbers that occur, divided by the total number of numbers in that data set. So we take the sum of all the numbers that occur in that data, or that is given in that data set, divided by the number of those numbers, and that will give us the mean for that particular set of data. Let's take some few examples. Assuming we have data like this, let's have some examples. Examples we have 1, 5, 2, 2, and 4. And we are to calculate the mean for this data. What we do simply is that we take the sum of all these numbers and divide by their total number. So here we say solution. Our n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. N is equal to 5. That's our n. That's the total number of observations in the data set is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the next thing is to find the summation of this. So we say f bar will give us 1 plus 5 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4, all divided by 5. When we do this, we are going to get 14 divided by 5, and the final answer will give us 2.8. So 2.8 is the mean for this set of data. I believe it is clear for you to understand. Get a sum of the given numbers and divide by the total number of the numbers. That will give you the mean for this kind of data. Let's look at the second example. Example 2. We have something like, we have 3, 6, 3, 1, 5, and 4. In this example, our n is given as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So n is equal to 6. To get the mean for this set of numbers, we simply add all the numbers and divide by 6. When we do that, we're going to have 3 plus 6 plus 3. Do not enter there. So I can claim the first example. I can claim this. I can claim the first. Or let's bring it here. So we're going to have n is equal to 6. So we're going to have 3 plus 6 plus 3 plus 1 plus 5 plus 4. Divide all this one by 6. And this one, when we do this one, we're going to get something like 23 on 6. 23 on 6. And the final answer will be something like 3.83 at the mean, or 3.8. This is two decimal places, this is to one decimal place, and that becomes the mean for this set of data. Let me give you some few trial questions so that at your own free time you shall determine the mean for such kind of data. The first question is, you have, so let me say trial questions. Let me have trial questions. Trial questions. So take these trial questions and at your own time you can look at them. Trial questions. Trial questions. 1. So you are required to determine the mean of the following set of numbers. So we have 4, we have 5, we have 1, we have 0, we have 7, we have 8. That is 1. The second one is we have 0, we have 3, we have 5, we have 8, we have 9, we have 2. The third one is we have 6, we have 2, we have 8, we have 11, we have 13. And so these are trial questions for you that at your own time you can look at them. The next time we meet by God's grace, we shall look at the mean of ungrouped frequency distribution. Thank you and God bless you.